Darcey Stacey star Stacey Silva shared the achievements of her two sons in a rare moment by posting throwback photos on Instagram. The 48-year-old Stacey has been a part of the 90 Day Fiancé universe since 90 Day Fiancé, before the 90 Days Season 1 in 2017. Stacey and her twin sister Darcey chronicled their relationship storylines and daily life on the TLC show. Their drama proved so compelling that they were given their own spin-off. But while Darcey's daughters are a part of the cast, Stacey's sons don't feature in it. Like Darcey, Darcey Stacey's Stacey Silva is also a mom to two. Stacey, who shares her son Mateo and Parker Vasic with ex-husband Goran Vasic, revealed some old photos of her kids on Instagram. Stacey's first Instagram story was a picture of her sons at a beach from when they were little. "My son shines," Stacey wrote and added, "Mommy loves you." She revealed that Mateo and Parker are now grown men in college, now doing big things. Stacey declared she's proud of them both, and that she misses their fun in the Sundays in Los Angeles. More pictures showed Mateo and Parker, aka "My loves, my life, my soul," of Stacey. "Just as always love you," shared Stacey with selfies she had probably taken several years ago with her little ones. Who is 90 Day Fiancé star Stacey's ex-husband? While Darcey and Stacey are 90 Day Fiancé icons now, they were still chasing fame in 2010. Darcey and Stacey had filmed the pilot of a show called The Twin Life when they were still married to their husbands, who both divorced on the same day. Darcey was married to a man called Frank Bolic, and Stacey married a Serbian soccer player named Goran Vasic. Stacey met Goran in Houston, Texas when he was playing professional soccer, and he came from Serbia. When Stacey met her ex-husband Goran, he couldn't even speak English. As for Goran, he had been playing for over 20 years and eventually retired to become a professional soccer coach. He started his own company called Goran Vasic Soccer Academy. Goran now works as a director of coaching for Middletown Youth Soccer Club. Stacey and her ex-husband's marriage didn't last long, and he seems to have remarried a woman named Christine Globicki, who also gets along well with Stacey's sons. Unlike Darcey, who's unable to maintain relationships and has had several boyfriends on the show since her debut, Stacey has been with just Florian Sukai since her first episode. Stacey and Florian have a 20-year age gap between them, but that didn't stop them from pursuing a romance on Instagram in 2014. Florian from Albania was with Stacey for 5 years when he moved to the US to get married to the reality TV sister. Their relationship was about to fall apart when Florian was accused of cheating on Stacey. However, Stacey and Florian are still together in 2023. Stacey and Florian also want a baby of their own, but chances of Darcey Stacey star Stacey getting pregnant are slim because she apparently had only 2 eggs left, and having a healthy baby at Stacey's age is now close to impossible. Source: Stacey Silva, Instagram.